welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a slick back on my 4C hair. So I really don't even feel like doing a slick back, but y'all voted for a slick back, so we're gonna do a slick back. So bye. So keep watching for the hairstyle. First, I'm gonna be parting my hair in the back, like somewhere around here, and making a ponytail, so it's easier to lay my hair back in sections. It's at least night right now. It's like 11. I'm tired, but for the YouTube. You want to put as much hair as you can into the ponytail. This is my ponytail right now. I might take some hair or I might keep it, but I really don't feel like laying too much hair because it's really hard to lay my hair. So, is this even straight? No, it's not. Hold on, let me kind of fix it. Okay, that's kind of straight. So now I'm going to get a rubber band. I'm going to do mine kind of low, like here maybe. Let me get a rubber band. I'll be using, these small rubber bands to make my ponytail. And just like how I did in my last top knot bun style video, when you lay the hair back, you want to add it to the ponytail. Just add it to the ponytail each time you do it. Y'all see that? Oh, right here is not good though, but y'all see what I'm looking at, okay? So when you lay your hair and you have 4C hair, oh, my light is off. Well, hopefully this still looks good. You want to lay in sections because your hair is too thick to be doing all that, you know. No. So I'm gonna, I can't do my side part no more. I do mine on this side too. Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh wait, no, guess I can. I'll do it right here. I'm doing a side part bun, but you can do a middle part bun. All you gotta do is just split in the middle, boom, and then you just lay it the same way I'm gonna do my side part. So I'm about to split mine on the side because I'm doing the side part like I said. Oh, the hair is not straight. in sections. And when you put the ponytail, you want to put as much hair as you can in the ponytail, because the more hair you put in a ponytail, the less you have to lay down.
Young 7 make a splash.
This brush is really good when doing slip backs. You want a hard brush. Like, this brush is really hard. And see how it's like slick in my hair? So in a little bit, I'm about to get a rubber band and put it into the ponytail, because it's kind of, you see right here, it's kind of touching my ponytail, which this never actually happened. So I'm kind of like, baby got hair. Baby got hair, period. Bald-headed wear. Honestly, right now, I don't even know why my hair is laying so good. Like, excuse me, sis? Since when? Okay. I like.
Young 7 make a splash.
I feel like it's giving ponytail instead of bun. I don't know. Should I do a ponytail? Maybe. Maybe I'll switch it out some days or something. Because I'm about to add some fake hair, guys. When doing this style, you want to let your hair dry because there's so much product. So you might want to do it overnight like I'm doing. And then, you know, in the morning, take it out. So I'm getting my rubber bands. Hold on. Gotta open. I got 4 of them. Whew. This was actually really quick. Oh, right there's kind of messing up. Hold on. right here is kind of like, what? So I already have a bun made from my last hair that I used on my, what was it, top knot bun style. Well, I haven't, oh gosh, this was kind of weird, but I kind of like it. Nobody gets hurt. So I'm about to let it dry, and then in the morning I'll show you guys how it looks, but I'll show you right now how it looks wet, but when it's dry it'll look bomb, and plus my edges will be laid and all that.